Hi everyone, calculate the temperature at which CO2 has the same RMS speed as that of O2. Now the RMS speed, the formula is 3RT by M. Okay. Now the formula for, if I write for CO2, then the RMS formula will become, we need to find the temperature at which CO2 has the same RMS speed to that of O2 at STP. So temperature of CO2 we don't know. The molecular mass of CO2 is 44. Similarly, RMS speed for O2 will be, because it's STP temperature, so 3R into 273 by M, it will be 32. Okay, so we'll equate these two according to question. It is given that V CO2 is equal to V of O2, but at which temperature, that we need to calculate. So we'll equate these two equations. 3R into 273 by 32. So 3R gets cancelled. This root and root gets cancelled. We have T by 44, 273 by 32. So temperature will become 44 into 273 by 32. So 273 into 11. It will become 3003. Divide by 8. So it's coming something 375.3. Okay, so 375.3 Kelvin we are getting in Kelvin scale. 375.3 Kelvin. We need to convert it into centigrade because the answer is given in centigrade scale. So in T degrees centigrade, 375.3 minus 273. It will be 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 7, 0, 3 minus 2, it's 1. So 102.3 degree centigrade. So the answer will be 102.3 degrees centigrade. Option B will be the correct answer. I hope this has answered your question. Thank you.